Find or read reviews that people are talking about OMBAR dashcam front and rear, 4K/2K/1080p plus 1080p, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, dash camera for cars with free 64GB SD card. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose OMBAR dashcam front and rear. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Dashcam front and rear. The OMBAR DC42 dual dashcam can record videos in front UHD 4K, 3840x2160p, 170 degrees wide angle, and rear FHD 1080p, 1920x1080p, 150 degrees wide angle, resolution. Clearly capturing license plates and road signs. You can switch to front view in 4K, 2K, or 1080p. Front dashcam can be used alone. WDR and Super Night Vision. OMBAR dual dashcam adopts the Super Night Vision technology, NT96670 chipset plus GC4653 sensor, with f1.8 aperture and WDR. Helps to get clearer footage and images from the recording in low light condition. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi, GPS and app control. The dashcam for cars has built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 and 5.0 GHz, for faster transfer speed. Free app CACM, allowing you to easily control the dashcam, view, download, or share videos. Internal GPS loggers accurately record your driving location, speed, and direction of travel can be tracked via PC. GPS player download. Please contact us by your Amazon order. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.